Hey folks, Machinery Pete here. Well, I sure had fun yesterday, August 20th, 2013, down in Hamilton, Illinois, covering Sullivan Auctioneers' big summer absolute consignment sale. Now, one tractor in particular really caught my eye that sold exceptionally well. And here's the tractor I'm talking about, a 1998 CaseIH 9330 four-wheel drive. Had 4,200 hours on it. 4 hydraulics, 3-point with quick hitch, big 1000 PTO, 18.4R 38 tires, and axle duals. So it's 15 years old, this used four-wheel drive. Now, we know that the late model four-wheel drive tractor market has gone a little bit soft, values coming down, but what I'm seeing for really good condition used four-wheel drives that are older, like this 15-year-old 9330, still a lot of demand. So let's go to the video and watch this tractor sell on yesterday's auction in Hamilton, Illinois.
Starting to fall. The injection lines have been updated, and I can't tell you what number they are, but we had trouble with the line, and they sold me some newer ones. I didn't remember, but the ammeter gauge don't work, and I didn't remember that was broke, or I'd have fixed it. But other than that, it's been a good tractor. My wife said don't sell it, but she divorces me, I'll deal with that.
Thank you, Jerry Johnson. Folks, it's a one-owner tractor. You talk about a lot of horsepower. You talk about a lot of horsepower. How many dollars, Jimmy?
3-point PTO.
3-point and PTO.
Jerry, how many horses?
How many horses, Jerry?
Roughly.
240.
240, Jerry. Right off the farm, boy, you want to buy them, ladies and gentlemen. How many dollars? 17 by 20,000, 22 by, and now 25,000, 27 by 30,000, 32 by 35,000, 37 by 40,000, 40,000, 40,000. 38, now 9, 39, new better, 40,000, 41,000, 41,000 over there, 41,000, 41,000 down to the midpoint, 41,000 down to the now 2, 42, 42, 3, 43, 2 right over there, now 3, I'm going to 2, 3, internet didn't get you either.
43.
Darren 43. Now 44,000. 44 Patriarch. 43.5. Now 44 Internet. Catch up the increment change. 43.5. 44,000. I'm going to 43.5. I'm going to 44. Now 44.5. Now 45,000. Now 45 Internet. 45. 45,000 dollars to get 5. 44.5 Internet. 45,000. 45 Internet. 45 Internet. Now 45.5. 45. Now 46,000 Internet. 45.5 Internet. 46,000. 46,000 up. Now 46.5 Denny. 47,000 Internet. You're out. 46.5 live in the ring. 47,000. 47.5. Now 48,000 Internet. 48,000. 47.5. Ohio bidder, you're out. 48.5 Denny. 49,000 Internet. Now 49,000. I'm going to bid 859. 49,000 dollars at 9. 49,000. Now 49.5 Denny. Now 50,000 Internet. Now 50,000. 50,000 dollars. Now 50,500. 50,500.
Yep.
You got 2 internet bidders. What are you up to? Danny, 51.5. 2 internet bidders chasing you, Pokey. Now 52,000 with 2 internet bidders now. 52, it's going to go online. Now 52.5. 52.5, I'm going to 52.5. I'm going to 52.5, I'm going to 52.5. You get now $52,500. 52.5. 52.5, Danny Polk, 52.5. 52.5, I'm going to 52.5. I'm going to 52.5, I'm going to 50. Now $53,000 internet. 52, now 53.5, Dennis Polk. 53.5 Pokey, 53.5. I'm going to 53, now 54,000. 2 internet bidders again. 54.5. 54.5 Dennis Pope, 54.5. I'm at 54,000 online. Now 55,000 with 2 internet bidders. 55. Do you get 55? Do you get a buy? Now 55. We got 2 internet rings going. They're both yipping. 55.5. 50. 56. 56.5. 56. Now 57,000. Internet 57,000. 57.5. 57.5. 57.5, to get up high, 1 owner boys, 57.5, 3-point PTO, 57.5, 57.5, to get down, now 58,000 internet, now 58.5, now 58.5, 58.5, and I don't have a baby to get up high, now $59,000, 59, now 59.5, 59.5, 59.5, and I don't have a 59.5, 59.5, 50, both you got 2 internet bidders. And Greg Peterson, we've been following that market on these tractors, haven't we? We talked about it yesterday. Now $60,000. Now $60,500. $60,500. $60,000 to get 5. $60,500. I'm down here now. It's going to go online. I think pull me ahead. Just a minute, Dale. $60,500. Now $61,000. Now $61,500. Now $61,500. $61 down here. $61,500. $61,500 down here. You can watch for bids out there, Casey. $61,500. $61,500. Everybody else. $61,500. $61,500. It's going to go on the internet. $61,000. 5. Michael, are they all done? $61,500. He took his hand off the bid button. Anybody else at $61,500? $61,500. Anybody live in the ring want to give $61,500? Dennis Polk, you want back in? Silver, internet, $61,000. Hold up, driver. I want to know where it's going. Paddle 3075. What state? Tell them thank you. Going to the great state of Minnesota. Going to Greg, where's Minnesota? Going to Greg Peterson.